Sanbona, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing so well. Now ke umakhe anibonisa ukubana hayi yena umswengo into zakhe nkosi yami. She looks gorgeous, she looks magnificent. It was on a Sunday morning. Asho ke nokubana happy Sunday to you all ke nabethunana. Asifisela nje isonto elihle nkosi yami. She looked beautiful from head to toe. Asazi nokubana she was preparing, she had a Women's Day event. That's where she was going, because I saw her, she posted some where she was emceeing or speaking. She looked so beautiful as of always nje. Siyambona nje ukubana hayi uyaglowa ugele, uyaglowa nkosi yami, umuntu kalwandle. Thanda phela ukubana masekasitsho yena atsho akubana no ulwandle yena you are supposed to say gosh, she is the most beautiful wife that Umseleko has. Yes, okay, from our side again, I don't know from everybody's side, but yeah, I think she's the most beautiful, and she's the most fashionable one that you can trust her. When she said that she's gonna bring it on the table, she is going to bring it on. You can see ubana hayi shem, even nje nomuntu wake omthungela amarogo wabo when they've got events, you can see ubana hayi she knows where to spend her money, because girl knows fashion inside out. Like, she always on the top. She want to be fashionably late on purpose so that everyone will see what she's wearing. Just love Uma Khumalo nkosi yami. We just love Uma K. Let's hope the rumors were true ukubana she's expecting, so that she can finally have her own child and bring joy to any woman's dream nkosi yami, to have your own child, to carry your own child, to have that bond with your child. What do you guys think about fashion sense kaMakhe nkosi yami? Mna ngiyazithandela. Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on my next video. I'll see you on my next update of Uthando Nesthembu, the latest. What are they doing, the ladies, after season, after the end of this season? So their life after a season. Yes, you Uthando Nesthembu, as we are seeing them here and there, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe.